Lexi. Look who's here. Look who's here. Look at, it's Lexi. We're going to show you how we do an Amish casserole. An Amish country casserole. So right here on our stove, we got our water boiling for our egg noodles that we're going to cook up. You're going to need 12 ounces of those. And then you can use burger, but today we're going to be, you know, healthy because we've just been eating all day. So we're going to use ground turkey. So I got my cast iron pan on. You can hear that sizzling. Here's this Lexi. And she's going to fry this up. There we go. We're going to get that all fried up real good. And I got to turn it down because cast iron gets hot fast. You need a...
oh no, this feels good.
Okay.
My hands are cold.
Okay. So after we get that done, let me wipe my mess down here. After we get the burger fried up, and I'm going to put just a little salt and pepper in the burger. And I did put just a little dot of oil in the bottom of my pan before we started it. So there's our salt and pepper. Now we're not going to put onions or anything else in here because I'm going to mix some dehydrated onions into the casserole before we put it in the oven. So we'll get all this fried up. We are going to cook our noodles, and when our noodles are done and our burger's all fried and crumbled up, we will be back and show you how to put this easy casserole together. Thanks! Hey friends, we're back! And we got our big bowl. Our noodles are done. Lexi's got the burger all cooked up. So, we're going to show you how this goes together, and it is really easy, and it's good. Okay, so we're going to put 1 can of tomato soup. And don't waste none of it. There we go. Okay, we got that. We're going to do 1 can of, the husband isn't home, so I get to do cream of mushroom. He's not going to eat this. I always use cream of chicken, but he's not here today, so I get to make this with cream of mushroom. Okay, we got 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. You can start mixing that if you want, and I'll pour the other stuff in.
Okay.
Okay. There you go. And we're going to put a teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic in there.
Love garlic.
Make that, oh, there it goes, it opens. Crack it on the counter. Okay, there's a teaspoon of minced garlic. Mind your way?
No, you're good.
There's some extras. We're going to do a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire. Try saying that one.
I can't even do it.
Whatever sauce. Yeah, that's it.
The dark stuff.
I think it calls for 2 tablespoons. We'll put 1.5. I don't remember. That's alright. That'll be good. Okay, and then we're going to put a cup of milk in. Okay. Oh gosh, that smells good. Alright, and let's see. That's what I'm going to use. It calls for like, the recipe calls for, where's my scissors? I lost my scissors. The recipe calls for like onion flakes, but I'm going to do a package of onion soup mix because I think that would be really good.
Oh yeah.
So we're going to throw that in there. A little extra season. I'm not going to put any salt in it because the soup is salty. But I'm going to put some pepper. Lots of pepper. Oh, we like pepper, don't we?
Yes.
Lots and lots of pepper. Okay. There's that. Mix that all up really good. That's all we need of that. Let me get rid of our mess. Then we can put our burger in there. Yeah, our pan isn't too hot. Okay, folks, I'm going to dump the burger right in there. Now, of course, I don't have to drain this. You would if it's burger. If it's hamburger you're using, you may have to drain it. But this is turkey burger, so we don't have to drain that. You might want to mix that with this. I'll take that. Oh, that's gonna be good.
Oh, yes.
Yum, yum. Okay, now I hope that bowl is big enough, because if you scoot over that way, we're going to put some of these noodles in there. I'll just hold it and you put the noodles in. How's that?
Okay. Oop, they're all going.
There they go. Now mix that in real good. Oh my gosh, look at that. That stuff looks fantastic.
Smells good.
Yup. Now you can put any kind of cheese on the top of it that you want. On this one in particular, we're going to do a little mozzarella cheese, because that's what I got left in my fridge. Some grated mozzarella. Look at how good that looks. How easy that is to put together.
And it's fast, too.
Yeah, that's an easy meal. Easy meal. Is it all mixed up real good?
You just gotta get this little part right there. There we go.
All right. Now we got a 9 by 13 inch pan. Okay? I'll set it right here. I'll hold this and you dump that all in. You want me to hold the bowl while you dump it in?
Yeah.
Okay. We got our pan greased too. We put a little bit of spray on it. Well, actually, you might not have to do much to that.
There's enough juice.
Oh, look at all that. That thing's beautiful. Spread that around in there. Yummo. That looks so good. We're going to set our oven to 350 degrees. And this is going to bake for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Oh, that's got to go off. That got moved accidentally.
Okay, there we go.
Just hit start. There you go. Oh, I got to make sure I don't got any pans in the oven. And I do. Hang on. Got my roaster pan in there.
There we go.
All right. So
We don't need this.
No, don't need that anymore. We're just going to sprinkle a little bit of mozzarella on this. Just because that's going to be good. Now you can use Parmesan Reggiano, whatever you want. I'm using a little mozzarella. I think TJ like that too.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, just little dots. That's good. Okay, friends, we're going to put that in the oven as soon as it preheats, 350 degrees for 30 minutes. And when this is done, we'll be back and we'll show you the final product. Hey, friends, our lunch is done. Our casserole's done. I'm going to pull it out of the oven. Ooh, look at that, Lexi.
Oh, that looks so good.
Oh my gosh, does it ever. Look at how nice that looks. I'm going to take this off and we're going to try some out. We got to give it a whirl. Here, I got to get you first. You get to be the taste tester. You know what, I better hold this because this did just come right out of the oven. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's juicy. Oh, how nice. Look at how beautiful that turned out. Look at that, friends. That is nice. What an easy casserole. It's good for a dinner or a lunch or even potluck.
Oh, yeah.
That would be good for a potluck, too. All right, taste it and tell us what you think.
Okay.
It's screaming hot. I'll dish up mine.
Smells good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's so good.
Is it? Good deal. All right, friends. There you have it. How nice that is. Another quick, easy casserole. So, we're going to go enjoy our lunch, and thanks for watching.